Ang gawas ng cheese. Martini. Oh, Martin, bite size. Ay, I want to get this. May buko sila, oh. Hotdog, Martin. Anak, let's get this. Iba kasi ang nabili namin. Ayan. Ano man to? Iba pala to. Magnolia, oh. Magnolia. So, which one is good, nak? Martini pala. Pulang-pula siya. Martin, Magnolia, mas, ano bang mas masarap, guys? Magnolia, ito na lang, no? Nalito na tuloy ako. May sweet and smoky. Ang dami. Oh, meron pa sila saba. Oh, frozen coconut. Grated yam. Oh, ang dami. Oh, meron pa sila. My gosh. Ano ba? Masarap pa itong Magnolia. Bili nga ako ng isang Magnolia at isang Martin. Tingnan natin kung saan dito mas masarap. Magnolia at saka Martin. Pula kasi ito yung size. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. Si bye. Piniritong hotdog. Wala ng gawas ng cheese. Huh? Ng gawas ng cheese. Piniritong hotdog sa mga bata. Sinakis. Ano? Martin. And bite size from with cheese pala siya. Luto ang siguro nino. Nagawas na yung cheese. Luto na niyo. Oh, nagawas na yung cheese. Luto na niyo. Yummy hotdog. 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 My Tommy hotdog. Today is April 25, 2024. Ayan ang shumay ko, guys. Nakaluto ako ng shumay. At saka ito yung ano ko, chili. Ayan, chili sauce. Okay, babay na, babay. Hi, this is my Tommy hotdog.
Alex.
Hotdog my Tommy. Hotdog my Tommy. Inside anak oh. Inside oh. No, here.
That looks so greasy.
My Tommy hotdog. Because I tried it, of course it looks greasy.
Yeah, but it looks so. I'm talking about very, very, very greasy. That's what I'm talking about.
I tried the hotdog. Martin hotdog. Hotdog my Tommy. Hotdog my Joshua. Okay,
that's so much hotdog.
So much hotdog. Ooh.
And
be careful.
we only got a little bit left. Two more.
One,
two.
Oh, look at my Tommy hotdog. Hotdog my Tommy. Hotdog my Tommy.
Now,
the hotdog my Tommy.
Tommy hotdog.
Ayan, nag-video guys. Hotdog. Aking dalawang Pinoy.
I can only handle normal hot dogs.
Yum yum.